Good morning, children. Hope all are fine, and I hope that you all are studying the poem Show Off. So, please, all of you learn the poem which I have already taught. So, I was writing the question answers and the incomplete question answers today I am going to give you. So, please, all of you open page number 17. Page 17. Exercise D. Exercise D. Now think and answer. Think and answer. The question is, the frog calls himself a four-footed animal like the elephant. Why do you think the frog wanted the sparrow to think that he was similar to the elephant? The question you have to refer in the book, page number 17. The answer is, the frog calls himself a four-footed animal like the elephant. I think frog wanted to prove himself as powerful as the elephant. He wanted to show off or boast himself in front of the sparrow. So children, this is my thought. So you have to note it down in your copy. See, now below that you see appreciating the poem. So there are a lot of rhyming words in this particular poem. Lot of rhyming words are there. So we have to learn these rhyming words as well. There are many rhyming words are there. See, what is rhyming words? Or what are rhyming words? See, rhyming words are words that have the same or similar ending sound. So they have similar ending sound. That is called rhyming words. Okay. Now let us see there, and the poem is given there. We have to complete in the poem. For example, here home, poem, it is there, rhyming words. Home, poem, buy, fly, ways, grace, then Hawaiian style. Hawaiian style, and so other things are there. So my point is, if below you see work in pairs, the exercise section or the poem is there. We have to complete the poem with the rhyming words. So you look at the box here. Just before that, work in pairs. Choose the correct rhyming words from the box to complete the poem. From Railway Carriage by Robert Louis Stevenson. See the box, it is given by brambles, daisies, river, load, ditches, rain, cattle. So I am rhyming the words from the poem and from the box. So you have to write and you have to complete here. For example, witches, ditches, number 1 is witches, ditches. Then battle cattle. Battle cattle. Then rain, pain, rain. Then next one is I buy. Then scramble, brambles. Brambles. Then gauges, daisies. Gauges, daisies. Then road, load. Road, load. Then last one is river, ever. River, here it is ever. So, like this rhyming word you have to complete in the poem or in the page number 17. Okay, so please turn the page number 18, all of you. So fun time here, some work you have to do. I will give you the homework. See, fun time, page number 18. Page number 18 you see. Read and learn more about some unique features of frogs that help them survive on land as well as in water. So here what figure is given here, and then the picture of frog, and then about the frog explanation I have been given here. Now you have to study this one, and then the down you see. Now make a similar information web with the unique features of a fish. You have to make fish, and then you have to write different parts or different features of the fish. Homework. Make unique features of fish. You have to draw first, draw it, and make unique features. First draw a fish. First draw a fish and write. I write about the fish. Okay. So, children, you see here about the frog. It has been given here. Above that, see, frog is there. First, you see they are born with gills and tails. As they mature, they develop lungs and legs. Then, right hand side is come. They breathe through their skin and lungs. The red color will come. Their eyes are poisoned on top of their head in such a way that they can see when they are underwater. Then blue side you come, left hand side. There is strong hind legs help them jump long distances. Then above you see their webbed toes help them swim in water. Similarly, make unique features of fish. First you draw a fish and write about the fish. Okay, so this one you do as a homework. Or in a separate paper you can make it. In a what paper it is called? What paper? Art paper. Okay. So you can draw this one. Okay, children. So once again I am telling you have to learn the poem, and whatever I have given you answers you have to learn. So I end my class here. Thank you very much.